Have you ever wondered where your money goes when you deposit it into a bank? Or how big companies fund their projects? The answer lies in the financial system. The financial system is the system that enables lenders and borrowers to exchange funds. Simply put, it links the savers and the users of funds. Here is an overview on how the financial system works. Savings can come from households, individuals, companies, government agencies, or any other entity whose cash inflows are greater than their cash outflows. The financial system, through financial intermediaries, provides a mechanism by which these savings can be channeled to the users of funds, borrowers, and investors. Do take note that the same entities can be savers and users of funds. One entity may have savings today, but may be needing funds in the future. Now, let's head on to the financial intermediaries. There are various financial intermediaries available in our country. The first one are the banks. Banks provide a mechanism where savers can put their excess funds through deposits, which will earn interests as incentives. To cover for the interest, banks lend the money to borrowers after performing a credit investigation. Some of the deposits can also be invested in some financial instruments, like government securities and corporate bonds. The next financial intermediary would be the insurance companies. Insurance companies offer different products, which may be broadly categorized into life insurance and non-life insurance. In exchange for the protection, the insured pays premiums into the insurance companies. These premiums are used to fund claims. Do take note that life insurance products protect the insured from the loss of life, while non-life insurance products protect the insured from the loss or damage to properties. The next financial intermediary would be the stock exchange. You've probably heard about the Philippine Stock Exchange, and you now probably have an idea on what stocks are and how they work. The Philippine Stock Exchange provides a system for the trading of equity securities of publicly listed companies. These equity securities are common stocks and preferred stocks. If you want to invest and trade in the stock market, you cannot go directly to the Philippine Stock Exchange to buy and sell stocks. You have to first open an account with an accredited stock brokerage firm where you can channel your buy and sell orders of equity securities. At present, there are online brokers and live brokers. With online brokers, one can trade in the stock market through the internet. To trade online, one must have an account and deposit with the online broker. With live brokers, one needs a telephone to call the brokers and place orders. Live brokers normally have their messengers who deliver confirmation receipts as well as collect and deliver checks. The next financial intermediary would be mutual funds. Mutual funds provide opportunities for big and small investors to invest in financial instruments which they would have not considered on their own. Or they may have considered but do not have the time or the expertise to do it, including investments in the stock market, bonds, treasury notes, and many other market instruments. With mutual funds, investments are pooled and the funds are invested by professional managers for a fee. The fees are a small percentage of the funds invested. Other financial institutions in the Philippines include pension funds, like government service insurance system and the social security system. It also has unit investment trust funds, investment banks, and credit unions, among others. Financial instruments are generally classified into two major categories: stocks and debt securities. Stocks are classified into two, common and preferred. Preferred stocks has a priority over a common stock in terms of claims over the assets of a company. Common stockholders, on the other hand, are the real owners of the company. Debt securities usually refer to a debt instrument, such as government bonds, corporate bonds, and certificates of deposit, among others. These can be bought and sold between two parties and has basic terms defined, such as the amount, the interest rate, and the maturity and renewal date. And that's it for today. Good luck and have a nice day.